Welcome to this video on advanced custom fields. So far all of the changes that we've made so far to the theme we've done in code in the text editor. But if the end user of your theme wants to change some information, some text or some images, we need to provide a way for them to change content quickly and easily without knowing how to code. And a great way of doing this is by adding advanced custom fields. So if you go over to the website, which is advancedcustomfields.com, this is the website for a really easy to use plugin, which we're going to implement into our theme in this video. So because this is a plugin, we can add this easily in the dashboard. So go onto the dashboard and then select plugins. Then add new. So in case you've not used a WordPress plugin before, it's just a way of adding extra functionality to the WordPress core, and there's thousands of different WordPress plugins available, and it's really worth a quick search to find some great features to add. So I'm going to search for advanced custom fields, and then enter. So the version I'm going to use is the first one which comes up, which is the Advanced Custom Fields, and then select Install Now. Okay, so once you've got the success message at the bottom there, then click on Activate Plugin. So now that's activated, we'll get a new option in the dashboard. So go down to Custom Fields and click on that. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do this by going through the front page and changing some of the areas on there, such as the text and the offers sections. So I'm going to enter a field group, which is a group of fields which we want to change. So select the Add New button, and to keep this organized, I'm going to call this section the front page. Then publish that. And then I'm going to add a field. And a field is one of the areas which you want to change. So if we go into our front page, so back into the localhost and the Tranquil site. So I'm going to start by changing the feature text on the front there. And this is going to be a field. So back over into the dashboard. The field label is the name. So we'll call this the feature text. And if you just press tab, WordPress will automatically generate a field name. And this is a name that we'll add to the code later on. So the field type is OK as text. And then we can add some instructions which shows up in the dashboard for the user. So I'm going to change this to use this field to change the main feature text. And required, yes, we want that to be always there. You can create a default value if you want, but because it's required, it's not really needed for now. So then add this field there. Okay, so now we've got our feature text field included, and we've got the field name of feature_text. I'm just going to copy that name, and then in the function section, if we look for the feature text function, and in the front page section, we can delete this fully responsive premium spa message. So delete that. And then we put in the function, the underscore field. And then in brackets, we put in the name of the field that we just created. So we copied that before. So paste in feature text and save. So if you go back over to the home page and refresh, so there's nothing there for now because we need to add this into the dashboard. So because we only want these custom fields to show up on the front page, we need to change the location to be the page type equal to front page, and then update that. So back to the top and hit update. So now if we go to the front page and then edit page and then scroll down, we should see the featured text section that we just created. And now we've got this as part of the dashboard. the user can add or change different parts of the website without knowing any code. So we can put the heading back in, so fully responsive, then the break tag, premium spa theme, then the break tag for WordPress, and update, and then view the page. So there we go, so that's our text back in place. So if we go back to edit page, one thing I just want to remove is the content editor, because our page is generated via the template. So to remove that, just go to the advanced custom fields, and then in the hide on screen section, just check the content editor, then update, and then refresh the edit page section, and now that's gone there. So there you go, so that's how you add a custom field in WordPress. We'll continue the front page in the next video, where we'll start adding custom fields to the latest office section.